Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen basically on your watch. And you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, find the watch face you like to use, and then tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also open the watch face menu through settings. So, if you wake up the screen on your watch, then press the side button again to open the menu. Then you can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it. And here we have an option called watch face and time. Tap on it, and then tap on watch face to open the list of watch faces. And you can scroll through it again, find the watch face you like to use, and then tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also change the watch face via the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So if we move to the watch to the side, bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera, so you can see the whole screen, like this. And then you can open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the app, you can tap on the profile icon, select the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini from the list of devices, and here you should see the device page. And also on this page you should see the option called watch faces. Now tap on it, then tap on mine right here. As you can see, we have the category called My Amazfit GTS 4 Mini, and we have the list of watch faces. We can tap on them to select them and apply them on our watch, like this. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.